see me at Dr. Tan's seminar selling this particular items is called Pachi. That's Dr. Tan called it, but this is exactly, it's called Pulsar. It's from the crystal, as Piezo crystal. So when you push down like this, they're going through a very high speed through the crystal, then it creates a very strong electrical impulse. Basically, some of what we practice is using acupuncture most of the time. That penetrates the skin. Patient, when they hear it, they are scary already, but they don't even want to try. So once you use this, it doesn't penetrate the skin and it's pretty safe. So you can show them using acupuncture pressure points and then create the results of the acupuncture treatment, but no needles involved. So mostly it can relax the patient right away. So, for example, somebody comes in with a back pain, and I would use the point that we always use in the balance method, is 灵骨大白 and 中白. So I would use this and patch the locations, and then it creates the reaction from the points, so it can heal, helping healing and reduce the pain on the back where we targeted the area that we're trying to treat. Usually it's like a little zapping from the electricity. It's not like, oh my god, it's electrified. It's not like that. It's just a little zapping, so you can see. It's not really strong, but they can feel the sensation. How much your back pain from 1 to 10 is. 10 is the worst, and then 1 is just a little bit, and usually people say, oh my god, it's about 6 or 7. Then I say, okay, show me exactly where the pain is. They're like, okay, right here, right there, and then I will correctly find out the reflect points right here in the hand. So I will start doing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then I ask them, can you move a little bit and find out how much the intensity of the pain. Maybe it went down to 4 or 3, and they were like, wow, that really works. Then I will explain to them, will be the results of acupuncture treatment. You might like to try acupuncture, or you can try this. The results of this is not as stay a little as longer as with acupuncture. Depends on the people. Everybody different. Some people last for 2 hours. I have a patient, I just treated it on the hand for his back pain, lasts for a week. So it all different. Some people are very sensitive, they get great results. Some people are just like, okay, we need a little more tune-up, and then they get the better results from this one. Because the location where it hurts is already traumatized by, oh my god, my back hurts. So we were using the location where it's reflect points of this, like back pain, shoulder pain, either on the hand, elbow, or forearm, or leg, or knee to treat. All right, there's a book. It's called 12 and 12 and 24 More from Dr. Tan. And you can locate most of these 48 points to treat all different illness, and just simply patching certain 3, 4 to 7 times at once, and then you can start moving around, and then find out the results are so much better as, you know, put it directly at the way. If you have any question about how to use this, you can send email to me and leave your phone number on it, so I can call you back or email you back. Call you back will be the fastest way, and I can handle that in very short period of time. For email, then I will take a little longer time, so I will have to sit down and write it back to you. So leave me the question, your email address, and your phone number. I can leave it on your voicemail, so you'll be able to take care of it right away, how to treat, or any question that you have. Regarding the contraindication, I would not recommend you to use it with pregnant women at those stronger point that book is mentioned about, like P6 and large intestine 4. Those are taboo point. Please do not use them. Also, do not poke your eyes with it. This is electricity, so do not do that. This is pretty strong for eyeballs, so do not do that. And any orifice, please do not use it. And also do not touch your genital area with this particular product.